We are going to talk about how AI is changing the way we build websites, apps, dashboards, client portals, and business tools. The tool we are focusing on today is called Base44. Base44 is an AI app builder that allows you to describe the app you want in plain English, and then the system helps generate the structure, pages, forms, dashboards, data, and user flow. In simple terms, you can go from idea to app faster than ever before. Now, let me make this plain. Years ago, if you wanted to build an app, you needed a developer, a designer, a database person, hosting, coding knowledge, and a large budget. But today, AI tools like Base44 are making it possible for everyday business owners to start building simple business apps by typing what they want. That is powerful. But here is the Tlat media lesson. AI can build fast, but you still have to think clearly. Before you use Base44, you need to know your business problem. Ask yourself, who is this app for? What problem does it solve? What does the user need to do first? What information do I need to collect? And what should happen after the user takes action? That is where real business strategy begins. Let's look at the Base44 process in a simple way. First, you plan. You define your app idea. Maybe you need a client portal, a coaching dashboard, an event registration app, a customer intake form, a training library, or a digital product delivery system. Second, you prompt. You describe what you want Base44 to build. For example, you might say, build a client portal for my coaching business where clients can log in, complete an intake form, access training videos, download worksheets, and track their progress. That is a strong prompt because it tells the AI who the app is for, what it should do, and what pages or features it needs. Third, you build. Base44 starts generating the structure of the app. It may create pages, forms, dashboards, user signups, databases, admin tools, and other app elements. But remember, the first version is not the final version. The first version is your rough draft. Fourth, you test. This is very important. You need to test the buttons, the forms, the login, the mobile view, the dashboard, the user permissions, and anything connected to customer information. AI can help you move faster, but testing protects your business. And fifth, you launch, but do not try to launch the biggest version first. Launch a simple version. In business, we call this an MVP, or minimum viable product. That means the smallest working version of your app that solves the main problem. Start simple, then improve as you get feedback. Now let's talk about some real business use cases. A coach can use Base44 to build a client dashboard. A teacher can build a student resource portal. A consultant can build a customer intake system. A filmmaker can build a production tracker. A church can build a volunteer management system. A business owner can build a simple CRM. A summit host can build an event registration dashboard. A creator can build a digital product library. That is the power of AI app building. You are no longer just using software. You are learning how to create software that fits your business. But I want to give you one warning. Do not skip security. If your app collects names, emails, payments, student records, health information, financial information, or private customer details, you must test it carefully before using it with real customers. Check who can log in. Check who can see the data. Check who has admin access. Check the permissions. Check the forms. Check the dashboard. AI is powerful, but responsibility still belongs to the business owner. At Tlat Media, we teach this rule. Use AI to build faster, but use wisdom to launch safely. Now, here is a prompt you can copy and paste into Base44. Build a clean, professional web app for my business. The app should help users learn about my services, create an account, complete an intake form, access training resources, and contact me for support. Include a homepage, user dashboard, admin dashboard, client intake form, resource library, contact page, and simple modern design. Make it easy to use on desktop and mobile. Use clear navigation, strong call to action buttons, and a professional business layout. That one prompt can help you start turning your idea into a working business tool. Now your assignment from part 4 is simple. Pick one business problem. Write down the app idea. Create one Base44 prompt. Generate the first version. Test it, improve it. Then ask yourself, does this save time? Does this improve service? Does this help my customer? Does this make my business easier to run? That is how we use AI the right way. not just for entertainment, not just for shortcuts, but to build systems, to build products, to build smarter workflows, and to build real opportunities. This is Tim Latners with Tlat Media. Remember, AI is not just for big companies. AI is for everyday people with real ideas. Welcome to the future of business, Tlat Media. AI made simple. This free virtual summit is designed for business owners, creators, coaches, filmmakers, educators, and everyday people who want to use AI with confidence. This technology can become a major advantage, but only if you use it. Thank you for supporting Tlat Media, and I'll see you at the next summit. Go to tlatmedia.com. Grab the workbook, build your systems, and start creating your AI-powered future.
Feeling outpaced by today's tech-driven job market? You're not alone, and you're not out of options. If you're over 40 and looking to re-enter the workforce or changing careers, Tim Talks AI in Business is your essential guide. From AI-powered resume builders and interview prep tools to smart assistants that saves you hours, this book breaks it all down in simple, practical terms. Learn how to use modern AI tools to stand out, boost productivity, and future-proof your career. Whether you're a seasoned professional or starting fresh, you've got this, and this book will help you prove it.